Hello student, welcome to Pharmacy channel. Today we will discuss about MCQ regarding anesthesia. So the first question is, anesthesia for surface pain or pre-anesthetic for subsequent deeper injections. Anesthesia for surface pain or pre-anesthetics for subsequent deeper injection is topical, local, regional or general anesthesia. Topical, local, regional or general anesthesia. Right answer is topical anesthesia. Next question. Question number 2 is, anesthetics commonly used during dental or surgical procedures. Anesthetics commonly used during dental or surgical procedures, topical, local, regional or general anesthesia. Anesthetics commonly used during dental or surgical procedure is local anesthesia. Next question. Question number 3. Anesthesia affecting total body. Which anesthesia affecting total body? Local anesthetics, general anesthesia, both A and B or none of the above. Which anesthesia affecting total body? That is general anesthesia. Right answer is option B, general anesthesia. Next question. Question number 4. Spinal or epidural anesthetics are topical, local, regional or general anesthesia. Spinal or epidural anesthetics are topical, local, regional or general anesthesia. Right answer is regional anesthesia. Next question number 5. It blocks sodium channels, prevents generation of action potential, interferes with action in cord and peripheral nerves. Is general anesthetics, local anesthetics, spinal anesthetics or all of the above? It blocks sodium channels, prevents generation of action potential and conduction in cord and peripheral nerves. That is local anesthesia. Oh, sorry. Next question is question number 6. First local anesthetics discovered in 1884. First local anesthetic discovered in 1884 is amides as procaine or cocaine. Right answer is cocaine. Option D, cocaine. Next question. Question number 7. What mixture of gases are used in anesthesia? Oxygen and N2O, O2 and C2O, CO2, sorry. Option C, CO2 and N2O. Option D, O2, CO2 and N2O. What mixture of gases are used in anesthesia? O2 and N2O. The right option is option A, O2 and N2O. Next question number 8 is, which of the following is known as laughing gas? Which of the following is known as laughing gas? CO2, NO2, N2O or B2O? CO2, NO2, N2O, B2O. Which of the following is known as laughing gas? N2O is the right answer. Next question number 9. Is the most commonly used material for vaporizer? Which is the most commonly used material for vaporizer? Steel, cast iron, copper, brass. Steel, cast iron, copper or brass? The right answer is option C, copper. Copper is the most commonly used material for vaporizer. Next question, question number 10. In which of the following stage general anesthesia surgery is done? In which of the following stage general anesthesia surgery is done? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, plan 2, or all of the above? In which of the following stage general anesthesia surgery is done? Right answer is stage 3, plan 3. Question number 11. Hallucination are seen after anesthesia. Hallucination are seen after anesthesia. After ketamine, after thiopentone, after fentanyl, after nitrous oxide. Hallucination are seen after anesthesia. Right answer is option A, ketamine. Next question, question number 12 is naturally occurring local anesthetics. Cocaine, procaine, lignocaine, or all of the above. Naturally occurring local anesthetics, cocaine, procaine, lignocaine, or all of the above. Right answer is cocaine. Naturally occurring local anesthetic is cocaine. Next question, question number 13. All of the following are vasodilators except cocaine, etomidate, cyclopropane, or procaine. All of the following are vasodilators except cocaine, etomidate, cyclopropane, procaine. Right answer is cocaine. Cocaine is not a vasodilator. Next question. Question number 14. The dentist who first used nitrous oxide for the abolition of pain due to dental extraction was? The dentist who first used nitrous oxide for the abolition of pain due to dental extraction was Herpes David, Harvey William, Hunter Zone, or Horst. Right answer is Horst Welles. Next question, question number 15. Nitrous oxide is a good anesthetic but a poor analgesic, a good analgesic but a poor anesthetic, a good analgesic and a good anesthetic, a poor analgesic and a poor anesthetic. Nitrous oxide is the right option is option B. Nitrous oxide is a good analgesic but a poor anesthetic. Next question, question number 16. Which of the following cannot be used as a surface local anesthetics? Which of the following cannot be used as a surface local anesthetics? Benzocaine, lidocaine, procaine, tetracaine. Benzocaine, lidocaine, procaine, tetracaine. The right answer is option C, procaine. Procaine cannot be used as a surface local anesthetics. Next question. Question number 17. Which produces dissociative anesthesia? Ketamine, propanidate, thiopentone sodium, fentanyl, dorpirodol. Which produces dissociative anesthesia? That is ketamine. Ketamine produces dissociative anesthesia. Next question is question number 18. The organ most resistant to general anesthesia is. The organ most resistant to general anesthesia is spinal cord, medullary cortex, cerebrum, or medulla oblongata. Which organ most resistant to the general anesthetic? That is medulla oblongata. Right answer is medulla oblongata. Next question. Question number 19. Rapid onset of inhalational general anesthetic depends on blood solubility, cerebral blood flow, partial pressure of general anesthetics, all of the above. Rapid onset of inhalational general anesthetics depends on all of the above: blood solubility, cerebral blood flow, partial pressure of general anesthetics. Next question is question number 20. Problems associated with nitrous oxide anesthesia is sensitize the heart to adrenaline, behavioral problem, prolonged difficult induction, or tachycardia and or arrhythmia. Problems associated with nitrous oxide anesthesia is. The right answer is behavioral problem. Next question. Question number 21. In the second stage of anesthesia, the pupil is constricted, normal in size, partially dilated, or totally dilated. In the second stage of anesthesia, the pupil is constricted, normal in size, partially dilated, or totally dilated. Question number 22. A dentist who first used ether as a general anesthetic was. A dentist who first used ether as a general anesthetic was Martin, Morton, Morrison, Murray. A dentist who first used ether as a general anesthetic was. The right option is option B, Morton. Next question. Question number 23. Local anesthetics act by inhibiting motor fibers only, motor and sensory fibers, only sensory fibers, none of the above. Local anesthetics act by inhibiting motor fibers only, motor and sensory fibers, only sensory fibers, or none of the above. The right answer is only sensory fibers. Local anesthetics act by inhibiting only sensory fibers. Next question is question number 24. The drug not belonging to amide group. The drug not belonging to amide group procaine, xylocaine, lignocaine, or bupivacaine. Procaine, xylocaine, lignocaine, bupivacaine. The drug not belonging to amide group. The right option is option A, procaine. And the last question of this video. Question number 25. Which of the following inhalants is a gas anesthetics? Which of the following inhalants is a gas anesthetics? Halothane, nitrous oxide, desflurane, or isoflurane? Halothane, nitrous oxide, desflurane, isoflurane. The right answer is nitrous oxide. and thank you.